Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is an update for my real estate developer tycoon simulation game. Okay, let me show you what I've been up to in the last couple of days, in the last week. Okay, so let's start with the tanks. Now, if you click on the tank, you will hear a new sound. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's the new sound. I have added other sounds as well. So if you click on anywhere on the map and you want to move the tank, let's see. Okay, so you have a starting tank engine sound and a driving sound. Yeah, okay. So now I added.
Yes, sir.
I added the ability to shoot with a tank, and you can shoot the buildings now. Let's see. And did you see that the building has changed? So I added new images for assets, couple of assets to test this feature. If the HP, and I added the HP to the buildings, yeah, health points. Every building has 1000 points, yeah, and if they go below 800, the images changes with damaged building, 20% damaged building. Yeah, let's see another building. We have
Yes,
this
sir.
tank here. Let's attack this this residential tower and see if the building changes. Look at the building, yeah. And now you see the building has changed with a damaged building, 20% damaged building, yeah. Okay, and the last thing I did, as you can see, I'm testing the game with the transport of wheat and food to the city. Okay, so I added a new building, a new asset to the game. Is this one? Is the most expensive, I think, in the game. 47 million, and you make 300,000 per month. That's very good. So yeah, this is the Sphere, Las Vegas Sphere, yeah, from US. You can buy it now. What do you think? I think it looks very nice, right? Okay, so this is my update for today. I'm an indie game developer building this game by myself, and I need your help to keep going. If you like what you see and want to see this continue, support me on Patreon, link below, and you can jump in and play the game right now as it evolves. It's less than the price of a coffee per month. Thanks for watching, and smash that like button and subscribe button. It means the world to me. See you soon. Bye.